Well, as we speak, we are trying to get you those visuals as we try to zoom in several of the motorboats with the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister has just taken that holy dip. And of course, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, Samiksha, for everybody, viewers, who are part of this Mahakumbh, who are experiencing the Mahakumbh. And today, the Prime Minister has also become a part of this. As we see that the Prime Minister has just taken the holy dip, and he is performing the puja that is conducted after taking the holy dip, after the snan. And that is what the Prime Minister is doing as we speak. We are trying to get you more updates. The Prime Minister has taken the holy dip, and he will be now moving back to the Ghat, to the VIP Ghat, to the Arail Ghat. And after that, he will be meeting the saints, interacting with the saints. So that's the latest update we're getting in right now. The Prime Minister, and if we can see in our frame, I think we can see that houseboat. If you just zoom in, and you can see that frame. Right now, PM Modi has taken a dip, and also we are trying to get you more updates. It's the occasion of Magha Ashtami and Bhishma Ashtami that the Prime Minister has chosen for this holy dip, for this auspicious dip, and he is taking the dip. The Prime Minister now on his spiritual sojourn, and always sending out a very strong message, undeterred, unfazed by the politics surrounding and all the anti-Sanatan remarks that have come in, political remarks that have come in, especially that this dip comes on the day of polling in Delhi. That does not deter the Prime Minister, as we see that there is heavy security movement. That if you can see in my frame, if you're getting my frame, if you're getting my network, you can see there is a boat, and you can see people trying to wave to the camera as well. But if we zoom in, and we see that the Prime Minister is around that same area, and heavy security is there in several of the boats around him. So the Prime Minister is taking the dip, and the Prime Minister performing the puja, dressed in saffron. He is taking the dip, and he has also offered jal. He's offered arg to Lord Sun. That is called the Surya Arg, and that's of utmost importance. Giving the Anjali, and then chanting the mantras as well. As you can see, the Prime Minister taking the holy dip, and a lot of security, of course, around him as well. So as we speak, viewers, we see that the Prime Minister is also now taking help of the safety rope while taking a dip, as there could be chances of slipping there. Henceforth, he has taken the help of the rope, as we continue to pan our cameras and show you as much as possible on our frame, as much as possible the boats and the motorboats that are available, the boats to ferry to that spot, and also the motorboat, the jetty that has the entire entourage, right from the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, and also, of course, several other dignitaries. So that's the update we are getting in right now as we speak. The Prime Minister taking that holy dip and performing puja. After that, he will be, is expected at least, as per the schedule, that he will be doing the arti. We do not know if he will be doing that arti right now, but as per tradition, after the snan, one has to perform a puja. Like Yogi Adityanath, along with his 54 cabinet ministers, had performed the arti. Let's see if the Prime Minister also conducts the arti, if he offers those prayers, which is as per the traditions. And Prime Minister obviously never leaves any stone unturned to embrace the rituals, to follow the rituals of Sanatan. And here we have the Prime Minister, after 6 years, taking the holy dip. 2019, last time he took the holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. That was the Ardh Kumbh election year. This time, Prime Minister is in his third straight term. In his third straight term as the Prime Minister, being part of the Mahakumbh, taking the holy dip. And as we see, the Prime Minister is taking the holy dip and performing the puja, very importantly, on a day that is of Magha Ashtami. And he is right now taking the dip, and he will be praying. He will perform more prayers and chant mantras along with the priests, performing a puja and he will be praying for of course, lots must be on his wish list, praying for the well-being of India, at least as per what we know, to the sources, to the reports coming in. But as we see the Prime Minister, continuing with the pattern on visiting important sites, important pilgrimage sites on election day. However, this is one day that is this is a Mahakumbh that is underway right now, and after the stampede, many questions were being raised as to why the Prime Minister is going at all. But the arrangements were of course taken care of. There is an investigation that is right now in place, that is underway. The Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has briefed the Prime Minister about the security arrangements, more importantly about the security of the people, security of the pilgrims, and thereafter he gave the nod and he went ahead with his plans over here. As we speak, there is the visuals coming in of the Prime Minister performing the holy dip, and we continue to show more updates. I think the Prime Minister has concluded. The Prime Minister is right now taking the holy dip, and of course a very special moment for any Sanatani, any person who believes in this holy confluence, who believes in the spirituality of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. And it is said that one gets rid of his or her sins after taking the holy dip. One has to pray for themselves, for the shuddhi of their souls, the purification of their souls, getting rid of their sins. And the other dip is, the second dip is for the family. The next dip could be for the people of the country, for Jan Kalyan, for the welfare of society, for welfare of the people. So now we see the Prime Minister Prime Minister, in fact, today also, as he did in 2019 Ardh Kumbh with the Jap Mala, he also chanted mantras. 108 is one mala, one Jap Mala, and today also with Rudraksh in his hand, with the Jap Mala in his hand, he also chanted mantras. It's very auspicious to stay in the water after the dip when the water is above the navel, and chant the mantras using the rosary, using the Rudraksh Mala. And the Prime Minister, as we speak, has also taken the dip and also chanted the mantras using the Jap Mala. And as we speak, if you can see our frame, the Prime Minister is now taking the holy dip, and after that he has performed the puja, the mantras, and right now there is, of course, a lot of movement because of security as we speak, but nevertheless, visuals coming in on your screens, viewers, visuals coming in on your screens of the Prime Minister, from the Prime Minister taking the holy dip and offering the jal, offering water to Lord Surya, to the sun god, that is the Surya Arghya. He was holding the rope, and after that he was also performing the jap. As we speak, visuals coming in on your screens.